How y'all doing? Hey.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
Hey y'all, how y'all doing? I know it's been a while since y'all last saw me. It got a little busy. I actually went back to work. It's gonna be kind of hard for me to create content because I'm a very motivated woman who is about her coins. Y'all could just bear with me. I promise you, I'm not gonna forget about you. I'm gonna try to aim to make a video a week, and then if we all get other videos in between time, then you lucky. This is gonna be like kind of like a get ready with me a little bit, because I'm doing my makeup and I'm showing y'all how I feel about it. You know, we're gonna talk about some of the products that I purchased recently with SEPHORA and ULTA. I'm gonna let y'all know my opinion about everything. If you interested in seeing how I do it, before we get into it, make sure you like and subscribe this video, because I put in work and the least you can do is hit the like button and subscribe. If y'all want to see how I got this look, baby, stay tuned. Oh, excuse me if y'all was expecting to see me all glammed up and done up. But girl, I done bought new foundation. It's the Too Faced Born This Way. It's oil free, it's undetectable, medium to full coverage. I bought chestnut and I bought chai. I've already tested to see what the color looked like on me, and chestnut is a little too light for me. Chai was a little bit, it's more like my skin tone. We gonna see how this foundation wear. If it's trash, I'm taking that back. But the girl, anyway, I also have some drugstore products as well. It's my first time trying this one out. It's Milani. They put matte 17-hour wear. So far, because I did put it on, I've been wearing it for the past 2 days. I like it so far. I bought some new Laura Mercier. I bought a couple of things from Fenty. Originally, I went in and I got the Coco Naughty. Coco Naughty is beautiful. This bronzer is everything, okay? Riri, sus, you did your fucking thing. It was always hard for me to find a bronzer in my shade because they always make them too light and they always look ashy. They look good on people that's like fair skin tone. It's a struggle when it comes to finding a real good bronzer. And I don't like to look contoured up. Like, I know that's some of y'all thing, but that ain't my thing. I like my makeup to look like skin. I like it to look natural. It's not 2015, but it's not 2015. We should not be looking like we got on cake face. Like, I mean, if that's what you like, then so be it.
Do you? I don't got time for this. Do you, boo-boo?
Do you, boo? But no, that's not for me. I also bought this from Milani. I had it on last night. I love it. It's the sleeping mask / primer base. I don't know, but girl, I like the way it smells. I like the way it feels. It's so smooth. It make my skin feel so good, so plump. So I put that on last night so we could get ready for this today. At Sephora, for your birthday gift this month, they let you pick a couple of things. I picked out the milk gift set thing where it came with a primer, it came with the mascara, and it also came with the work lip cheek thing. I don't know, but it look cute. I like the color of it in the inside. It's cute. I like it. This is what we gonna use today just to see what's to it. And I read that it's best to put it on. Wow, I like the way it feels. I feel like it has a silicone base, but we gonna put this on all over. Oh, it's so soft. But it says that you're supposed to put it on and let it sit on the skin for a minute so that the grip goes into full attack. So they said. We just gonna see real fast what's to it. You know, so in the meantime, I'm just gonna talk to y'all. But girl, a lot of people is taking this coronavirus situation thing a little lightly. Coronavirus! Idea of getting sick and being out for like 2 weeks, it's not my ideal thing because your girl got money to be made, okay? Like, I cannot be sick. Can't just be around lollygagging and flipping flopping with everybody because everybody don't care about themselves. They don't even think about it. Like, girl, I ain't got time for that, period. It's been a minute, cool. So now we're gonna go in with this Born This Way Too Faced little thing. I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand. Why the product come out? Compared to like NARS foundation, I'm not used to that. A lot came out, but we gonna see what's to this foundation. So I know that Too Faced just came out with a different Born This Way. It's the matte version. For me, I didn't want to grab the matte version only because like back in the day, I used to be for the matte foundation. I used to love matte foundation, especially because I'm combination skin type. In my combo areas where I'm oily, I get really oily. So I don't like anything shiny or sheeny or that will create oil for me because, girl, I'm already oily. I don't need another product that's gonna help create something that's already naturally there. I need you to tame that thing, okay? So far, I like the way this looks. I feel like with matte foundations, they usually are a lot thicker. And I don't like that drying feel. I live in the desert. I just feel like, girl, you cannot be out here with no dry skin. Girl, first off, it's too hot, okay? Bruh. Second off, girl, you dry as hell. You in the desert. It's no reason. Girl, put some hydration, girl. Girl, even if you combination skin, girl, do not be afraid of some hydration. I don't know. For me, I don't like it to feel like I got on anything. So far, I'm feeling the way this look, even on camera. Like, it looks good in person too. I don't like the way matte foundations feel. Like, I don't know if it's because I'm getting older, like I said, and I just feel like I need hydration, girl, and I'm in the dry state. So I'm applying this with a damp beauty blender from Beauty Blender. Honestly, look at that. See, this is what matte foundation could never do. Look at it's the sheen for me. I need it to look healthy. I need a glow to my skin, girl. I don't need to be looking casket ready and matte. Y'all could keep it. Even though it look good when people do it right, they be looking good, but girl, I'm good on that. I need that healthy glow. I need to be looking like she just stepped clean off of an island. So I bought also the concealer that is cohesive with Too Faced brand. That's the multi-use sculpting concealer. And it looks like this. I like it because it says it's hydrating, it's long wearing, it's photo friendly. We'll see about that. And it's non-comedogenic. Okay, it's 100% said that this foundation blurred their imperfection. 100% said this foundation made their skin look absolutely perfect. And 97% of people said their foundation provided natural cover. I will agree with at least 2 of them because I don't know if it's blurred out my imperfections. I can't see all the way. I mean, it did. I ain't gonna stunt. It did. I like that it has hyaluronic acid, coconut water, and alpine rose, and it's the same thing that's these concealers. So I really like that they have like some skincare built into that, because I mean, girl, when you say hyaluronic acid, I'm like, give me all of that. I like to use both these colors. Y'all don't gotta buy 2. I'm just extra like that. This is not my first time using these 2 because I bought this concealer when I bought the NARS and I fell in love with it. That's why I was like, let me go ahead and get this other color, because I just felt like this one was a little too light, but I like it like right there to be light. But then like I like this color to go because it's more like for real my color, but I just be needing like that little extra brightness right there. And we're gonna take our damp beauty blender. I like to take the egg side and then I just blend out everything. What have y'all been up to? Girl, I be so tired though. When I get home, I be ready to just chill and relax. I be having all the intentions in the world though to get on this camera. Sometimes it just don't go like that, but I'm gonna push myself. Y'all gotta push me too. Look me up, man. Hit me up sometime and be like, girl, what is you doing? You tweaking. Hit me up with that. I'd be like, you right. You right. That's okay. I just, you know, just need a little motivation sometimes to just push yourself, even when you don't feel like doing things. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do a quick, like, soft, because I don't want to, like, take the integrity away from the product. I'm not gonna do, like, a whole bunch of crazy stuff, eyeshadow or nothing like that, only because I want to see what this makeup is like without all the extra. I don't know if I said it already, but I am using a damp beauty blender. I just want to make sure I say that, because y'all, there's been plenty of times I talk to people like about doing their makeup and they have a beauty blender. They have the things that I use, but then they be like, oh, you supposed to wet it?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Like, girl, yeah, what the hell? Why would you beat your face with a dry sponge? Make it make sense. Girl, what? For me, I like it bright. Boom. I look crazy right now. That's okay. We're gonna set underneath the eyes. I like to set underneath my eyes like expeditiously. If you don't set under your eyes, before like those little lines start creasing and stuff like that, and you put powder on top of that, those lines, you could forget about smoothing anything out, because them lines gonna be there for the whole entire day that your makeup is done. Make sure you blend that out. This is the Laura Mercier. With the powder, I literally like to set it in the areas that I get the most oil, and I don't like to like let it sit on the skin. I literally just pat it into the skin. And I know I look crazy right now. I know I look crazy, but trust me, even though, you know what I'm saying, I ain't just buy this, okay? This is gonna always be in my kit. This gonna always be my go-to when it comes to like any type of like setting, anything. I gotta use MAC Mineralize. Like for me, I like to set it with a translucent powder like this, and then I like to dust everything on my face, like dust all that shit off, because I don't like it to look Casper friendly, okay? I'm using a fluffy brush. I'm actually gonna use this Morphe brush, and I don't know what number it is because it's not on here no more, but it's an M5 brush. It's a fluffy brush like this, and I like to jack that on. And remember, I told y'all needed this in the last video. Now I like to go in with my bronzer, which I'm excited. I'm so excited to show y'all. I'm so excited to show y'all this product. So I told y'all I bought 2 freaking Fenty bronzers. Okay, so let me tell you the backstory about it, okay? You know, I've been doing my research. You know, a lot of people have been talking about these bronzers, right? I've been hearing the people talk. I've been hearing y'all, okay? But I be like, you know, it's just, I'm that type of person that if everybody is hyping and raving about one thing or about whatever, if somebody is hyping and raving about it, I don't even want it. I don't want it. I don't want to try it. I don't want to see it. I'll get it when the hype go down. I just don't trust people. Hit the like button if you like that. If you like me, you don't trust people and you want to take your time and do some research and all that other stuff, let the first batch of people get it, and then we see how the other people feel, and then we go get it, okay? I went into Sephora, and you know, I was looking at the colors. So I feel like because of my skin tone, I'm an NC50 and I need a bronzer, I'm gonna need a little something darker. So the first one I grabbed was Coco. I was just like, okay, I think this one gonna work, because you know, with my skin tone or whatever, I don't want it to be too dark and I don't want to be too light. Fell in love. It goes on so, oh, look at that. When I'm doing my bronzer, I kind of like to smile so I can see where my cheeks is. I love this one. It's light, but it's buildable. Girl, it looks like natural, like if you stand out in the sun and you naturally get darker, that's what these bronzers look like. Girl, on my skin. Look at that. Riri, snap. Stop playing with Riri. Stop playing with her. She ain't playing with y'all. And we gonna bring this down, because what we not gonna have is two-tone face. Like, bitch, when I'm really ready to shut some shit down, that's when I grab that Mocha Mami. Who? That's that Mocha Mami. You feel me? It's so bomb though. I'm just gonna pop this a little bit up and up. I like to use whatever brush I use to set everything with. I like to still go over everything with that same brush. I don't dip in and get no product or anything. I just blend everything out. Grab like a fluffy brush. We're just doing something simple. We're not going crazy. We're not going out. They ain't taking us out on no dinner or nothing. So now I'm just gonna go in with that same bronzer, Mocha Mami, just to bring some contrast back, because we took away all of our color when we put on that concealer. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just putting it first into the socket. So I like first starting out in my crease, like right there on the end. That's why I put the brush at first from when I dip it, because wherever you place your brush at is where the most of your product is gonna go. That's the key. I just put whatever product I'm gonna, amount product that I'm gonna use first. I put that in this part of the eye, and then I just sweep it across. Sweep, sweep, sweep. I like to do my eyebrows the last thing to do because I use a lot of powders, and if I don't do my eyebrows last, then they're gonna look really powdery and just not the best quality in my opinion. But I've seen a lot of people do their eyebrows first and then do their foundation. I'm really impressed with it, and it looks good. I be impressed with them people because to me, I can't do that. Like, I can't do it. I have a whole bunch of powders on my eyebrows, so why would I do my eyebrows first and then I'm gonna have to redo them again? I don't like to go over and redo work that I did that I didn't already touch. That's taking out too much time. Oh, I love this bronzer. This bronzer is everything. And the key is, the cleaner the brush, the better the blend. Always tap off any excess, and then I place it where I want the most product to be shown, and then I just sweep it. Really not feeling wings right now. Like, as life goes on, everything that you thought you knew and loved, you don't. Or it's not that you don't, but you just lose interest in it sometimes. But this is what the skin is looking like so far. Looking like my daddy. Now we could go with good sis Milani. Just came in my life. I like her. Now we have our brows on. We got our lashes on. Now let's set my foundation, which I like to use two things. Which I bought this too. I just rebought this. Morphe. I love this spray. Right now I'm gonna use MAC Fix Plus. I love MAC Fix Plus. Like, that shit is literally Jesus water. I don't care what nobody's saying. It's something in it. Oh, y'all, I'm really loving this foundation. Like, what? Okay, Too Faced. Okay. I went into Sephora to go buy the cream concealers that Fenty dropped, but they didn't have them. The girl recommended that I try this product. It's a part of their KILLAWATT foil, which is a highlighter, and she said I should try Ruby Riches. She said it looks really beautiful on melanin skin. She was like, people don't really believe me. I be trying to tell them, and I be like, girl, I feel you. I could relate to that, because sometimes people come into your job and they, even though you the expert and you know more about the products, they still want to try to like test your gangster. Like, girl, bye. So I was like, girl, I believe you. Let's try it. So this is the Fenty Ruby Riches highlighter. Oh, it's pretty. It looks like that. I'm just gonna. Ooh. Oh, she might be on with something. It's pretty though. I like bringing my blush on my apples and my cheeks too. I got such a round face. I have to bring in something. It's so cute. She was right. So I also got another Fenty highlighter, and this one is called Mean Money and Hustler Baby. That's what I am, a hustler baby. So I'm gonna go in with Hustle Baby. I like to put my little highlight right there. And I always use that brush that we used earlier with the MAC Mineralized powder. Whatever is left on this brush, I just like to do that, you know, just so everything blends. Boom. Oh, okay, she's done, and we're back and we're together. She's not looking like a boy anymore. She's back into her girl thing. Yeah, I really love this foundation. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I'm loving the way everything looks. Look at the highlight, look at the bronzer, because she like it soft. Look at the blush where it's actually a highlighter, and it looks so good. Come on, Too Faced. Come on, Fenty. Come on, Milani, and all the other brands that I named while I did this video. I honestly love this. I was gonna take back this foundation because I'm not gonna lie, I tried it a little bit, like right here, just right there, and I didn't do a full face, but I was like, let me do a full face on camera and see how I feel about it. And I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, I really love this foundation. It's really me. It's a natural finish. It's not cakey. It's super lightweight. It's super freaking nice. Everything that I've purchased is more than everything to me. I love it. I love this look. Okay, if y'all like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know how you feel about it. If you tried these products before, let me know how you feel in the comments, because I want to know how y'all feel too. I'm gonna give y'all my expertise, but at the same time I want to know how y'all feel. I'm gonna see y'all next week. I'm gonna try to aim for next week. I'm gonna make some videos. if y'all don't see no video posted from me, just hit me up on my Instagram and my DMs. I do check them and just be like, girl, where the hell you at? What the f is you waiting on? Hit me up. That's okay. So I promise y'all, we gonna pump up some more content. I'm gonna try to be as much as I can, but I'm really active on Instagram, so follow me. How y'all doing? Hey.